Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you probably want your Wix header to stay visible while scrolling, and that's totally normal and basically understandable. So in today's small tutorial, I'm really gonna show you on how to actually put down in this Wix website in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Whereas for now, we're gonna go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Wix.com. After this, we're gonna go tap on the website, make sure obviously you put your login information, including your email address and password. Then we're gonna go and check them settings. Okay, now look here, site and mobile app. We're gonna tap on this website. As for now, for the first part, they're gonna give you multiple options that you can pick from. You can also go and look for design site. Just tap on design website. Wait a couple seconds till it fully opens. It may take some time at first, but don't really worry. You're gonna get it preparing your website as you see here. Okay, let's keep waiting. And here it goes. So basically for me, this is my header as you see, and this is the section of welcome and every other detail. So I'm gonna come here in this header part, tap on this 3-dot menu, then go all the way to header scroll settings. After this, go and select this option, freeze. You can also select scrolls with size if you want to, disappears, fades out, it depends on you. So basically, once you select this freeze option, the header will always stay visible. After this, you can tap on save, then publish. And that's basically it. So that's the main idea. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.